Buckeye brownie. And this is PB Perfection. Strawberry cheesecake. The little crumble on top tastes just like cheesecake crust. Love that it has a strawberry Pop-Tart inside. Oatmeal cream pie. Make sure to use code Hallie10 at checkout if you want 10% off your order. Look at the caramelly goodness. This is like Little Debbie oatmeal pie's like mother. Almond Joy. I'm mildly allergic to almonds, so I kind of took all the almonds off. I love the chocolate with the coconut. I just wish I could eat it with the crunch of the almond.